Hi to everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome to my channel Sarah's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make a loaf. It's called paratha. It's made out of oil and flour, so you can use white or wheat flour both. So I have a dough here. So we have dough and it has already salt in it. So we're gonna make 2 balls of that dough like this, and then I'm gonna take cooked. So this is cooked chickpea lentils. So we're gonna make our roti or paratha with it. So let's see how we're gonna make it. So we're not going to use oil or any ghee or any purified butter inside the roti, inside the loaf. We're going to use it on top and at the bottom, but not inside. So you're gonna keep your flame from medium to low, otherwise it's gonna get burnt. So now my chickpea lentil paratha is ready. So try it, let me know how did you like it. We're gonna make chickpea lentils for you too in our next video, so you know how to make that too as well. It's really tasty. So try it and comment below. How did you like it? And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching. Share my videos with your friends and family. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye.